Today's video is my update for the It's Panning Cats and Dogs Project Pan. This is a PANtastic Ladies Collab project. This is a year-long project that started in October, on the 22nd of October, and it goes all the way through October 22nd of this year, which is National Make a Dog's Day. This project was created by Deb B. and Danny from Danny's Makeup. I will have both of their channels listed down below so that you can go check them out, plus all of the information about this project pan. This is a rolling style project. There are prompts, and all of the prompts are to do with our wonderful pets. So let's see how I did. I do have a few items that are rolling out and some that are not. When I started this in October, I rolled in these ding dang lashes, and I said that I was going to use them a mere 15 times. That was October, November, December, January. And in 4 months, I've used them 4 times. Now, I know that none are missing here, but I have a pair, and you know, you clean them and you keep on wearing them, and I don't know, I mean, look, I have on lashes today. Look, could I have used one of these? Why didn't I? I don't know. I have a hair. So anyway, these will be staying in the project. It's a good thing it's a year-long project. It's going to take me that long to use these lashes 15 times. The prompt for that was number 4, Best of Breed, which is, the prompt says, tell us about your pet, past or present, doesn't have to be a dog or a cat, and you choose an item that you love with all your heart. And I do love these. They're amazing. I don't know what my issue is. And there have been so many pets in my life that have just been phenomenal. And if I talk too much about them, I'll cry. And my makeup looks really good, so we're not going there. The next prompt was number 8, cat litter, and that's something that is messy. So I chose sheet mask because they are very, very messy. They're even messy here in my little tray. Look, look at it. You see? Messy. However, I rolled this in October as well to use 5 of them, and I have finally accomplished that goal. And even though I used this quite some time ago, it's still being messy. So I will be rolling the sheet mask, the messy sheet mask, out of here. It's out of here. The next prompt was Poodle, and that is a product that makes you feel high maintenance, a bougie item in your collection. So I picked the Dolce & Gabbana, the Only One perfume, and I rolled that in for 20 uses, and I have used it 17 times. And I rolled that in December, so that is staying in. I have a few more uses on that. The next prompt was number 15, Husky Loud Talkers. Yes, they are. A loud product, bold color, or loud packaging, and that is credited to Teru at Cruelty Free Panner. So I chose this Shantico Beauty Twilight Multi-Chrome eyeshadow. It is so pretty, and I had a hard time using it because it was loose, and I don't know if it's supposed to be loose, but I pressed it, which made it so much easier to use. And it is a beautiful multi-chrome. It shifts from blue to purple, and my goal was to use it 5 times, and I have used it 5 times. And that is what it looks like. Look at the purple. It shifts from purple to blue, and it is so buttery, smooth, and creamy. Beautiful, beautiful, and I really did enjoy, once I got it pressed, I really did enjoy using it, so I am rolling that out. The next prompt was number 13, German Shepherd. Guard dog or protector, an item that protects your makeup, SPF, primer, setting spray, and so on. So I rolled in the LYS Skin Loyalty Setting Spray for 20 uses, and I have only used it 5. Now, I do have a mark, and you can see that I'm below the line. I don't remember, is this supposed to be cloudy? I don't know, but here's my issue. For some reason, it is spraying in a stream, and I don't remember it. See? I don't know if you can see that. I don't remember it doing that before, but I don't know. I may have to put some of it in a different bottle. That I have a e.l.f. The mister on the e.l.f. setting spray is phenomenal. I may have one of those so that I can finish my usage goals, because I don't like it like in my eye and stuff. That's bad juju. The next prompt was 19, long-haired cat, favorite hair product. And I don't have a favorite hair product, because normally I just wash it and comb it and let it air dry, and I go on with my life. I have not paid a lot of attention to my hair other than haircuts and color, which I need to. All of my purple is gone. I need to color my hair. But I had purchased this Bold Plex Bond Restore treatment because Andy highly recommended it. Andy at Andy Does Stuff. And so I rolled this in for 5 uses, and I have used it once so far, and that was actually just today. And it did make it feel really nice. I do like it. It is a nice product. It has a very nice fragrance. So I am looking forward to continue to use that. The next prompt was Agility, a product that requires practice to use. And that is credited to Taru at Cruelty Free Panner as well. And for that, I rolled in these iMethod, or, well, one of them's Mirabella. They're the winged liner stamps, because they do require practice. And I actually forgot about them, so I have not used them at all, and I rolled it in for 10 uses. In my defense, not that I have to explain myself, because ain't nobody the boss of me, as Andy would say, but in my defense, I moved. I was not in this room. I was in the other room. I had to move all of my stuff in here and set things up again, and these just kind of got pushed to the back of the thing, and so that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So I will be trying to get 10 uses out of those before the next update. Number 17 was Labrador Golden Retriever Hunting Dogs, a product that you had to hunt down or was hard to find. So I rolled in this BH Cosmetics Amethyst palette for February, because they don't sell these anymore, and I wanted it, and I believe Ash from Makeup and Chaos sent this to me. Or it was either Ash or Andy. I should have written it on there, and I did not. But they know that I love them, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, I rolled this in for No Pan Left Behind, and I have used 1 pan. So This will be staying in. Does that mean I only rolled out one thing? Did I roll out one thing or two? Does anybody know? Was anybody keeping track? I rolled out two because I rolled out the sheet mask and the Shantico Beauty. Okay. So, what I would like to do, and I don't have time to do it this video, but I will probably do it on the next one. There's not a lot of prompts left. I mean, there's some, but not a lot. I think the next time I'm going to roll in all of them at once. I wish I had done that when I started, but let's pick 2 new prompts. Boop. Number 2, and then I will look to see what the prompts mean and pick the products. Sharpay. I'm going to look those up, pull my products, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm a glutton for punishment. So, number 7, Boop, is a product you use on your nose, a highlight, pore strips, or contour. So I picked this MAC highlighter. It is double gleam, extra dimension, skin finish. I'm not sure. Oh, I have used it. I see a little bit of. It's very pretty. I love the embossing. And that's what that looks like. Very pretty highlight. So I have that in for 10 uses. And then number 26, Sharpay, is a skincare product that combats wrinkles. So I picked more sheet mask because I have 90 some sheet masks to get through this year, and they combat wrinkles, right? This is the avocado regenerates skin cells. That helps against fighting against wrinkles, right? This is the acai berry. These are all, they're Korean beauty, and I'm sure that I can't pronounce the name of that. C'est la vie. The acai berry actually says that it is an antioxidant and anti-aging mask. And then we have honey. This removes impurities from the pores, helps retain moisture for radiant, soft, and supple skin. Antioxidants properties fight against skin damage and aging. That's wrinkles, right? Then we have the cucumber mask. This improves and rejuvenates complexion. Antioxidants to combat wrinkles and damaged skin. Helps retain moisture for soft and supple skin. And the last one is collagen. Specifically increases elasticity while effectively minimizing and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So that's 5 more masks to get through. So I got some work to do. I got to get those ding dang lashes done. Like I said, next time I will be adding all of the prompts in so that I can just work on them. I seem to do better when I do that for whatever reason. Make sure that you go check out Deb and Danny. I will have them linked down below. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, love you, bye. Christopher, here is your makeup tip from yo mama. If you're feeling bold, draw a beauty mark on your cheek. And if anyone asks, Tell them it's your thinking dot. Mama loves you, boo.